Let's be honest, looking good isn't just about genetics. It's about grooming. Whether you're heading to college, on a first date, or building your empire, the way you present yourself matters more than you think. In this video, we're diving into the essential grooming habits every man must know. These aren't your typical wash your face and comb your hair tips. We're talking real game changers. So, buckle up, because your glow up starts right now. If your skin isn't clean, hydrated, and fresh, nothing else matters. Forget filters. A solid skincare routine starts with a gentle cleanser, moisturizer, and SPF. Yes, men need sunscreen too. If you're skipping SPF, you're basically fast-forwarding to wrinkles. And here's a quick test. Look in the mirror. If your skin looks dull or flaky, it's not just dehydration, it's neglect. Your haircut speaks before you do. Find a hairstyle that fits your face shape and lifestyle. Go for regular trims, every 3 to 4 weeks. No, your barber shouldn't only see you before weddings. Use matte hair products for a more natural, modern finish. And don't skip the shampoo days. Wash 2 to 3 times per week and condition more often to avoid stripping natural oils. Beards are powerful, but only if they're groomed. Whether you're rocking a stubble or full beard, shape it with precision. Use a beard trimmer, define the neckline, and for the love of attraction, no patchy zones. For the clean-shaven guys, use a sharp razor and exfoliate before shaving to avoid irritation and bumps. Aftershave matters too. It's not just for the scent, it soothes your skin. She notices, everyone notices, dirty or uneven nails scream, "I don't care!" Trim your nails once a week. Moisturize your hands. Keep them clean. You don't need a full mani-pedi session, just basic hygiene and self-respect. Your scent is part of your first impression and your memory. Stick to one signature cologne. Go for notes that match your energy. Citrus and marine for day, musk and spice for night. Spray on pulse points, neck, wrists, and chest. And never rub your wrists together. It breaks down the fragrance. Good grooming isn't complete without fresh breath and a confident smile. Brush twice daily. Floss. Use a tongue scraper. Yes, really. And don't forget the mouthwash. Confidence tip. Chewing sugar-free gum boosts saliva and keeps your breath fresh between meals. Use a mild body wash, not harsh soap bars. Exfoliate 2-3 times a week. And please, invest in a quality loofah. Stop using that old towel from middle school. Alternate between hot and cold water for better circulation and energized skin. You can't outgroom a bad lifestyle. Eat foods rich in vitamin A, C, and E like avocados, carrots, and almonds. Stay hydrated. 3-4 liters a day. Your skin is 64% water. Don't forget that. Bonus tip. Sleep at least 7 hours. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep. Grooming isn't vanity. It's discipline. It's self-respect. When you walk into a room looking fresh, clean, and confident, you own that room. And the best part? Anyone can do it. These grooming habits aren't just about looks. They're about mindset. You're saying to the world, I take care of myself so I can take on anything. So start today, because looking attractive isn't the goal. It's a byproduct of becoming your best self. If this video gave you the grooming glow-up mindset, hit that like button and drop A in the comments. And if you're serious about leveling up your entire style, check out the next video. We're breaking down summer wardrobe essentials every guy needs.